I'd get over you if you hadn't got under my skin. If you hadn't dug a grave inside my heart and thrown me in and let me drown on that love-rich blood, then I'd just move right on. Wouldn't be put off by the thought that you were gone. When I fell in love, you could have caught me, but you dropped me like a bomb and left me paralyzed, lying in the mud. I'm a ghost, and murder's been committed, the victim of having loved too much. The fault is mine. Yes, my own love was the true transgressor, who held me down, who drew the weapon, but you were the accessory to the crime. I just wish I could push one tear out, but I guess in death such excess isn't allowed. But when it comes, it's gonna burst forth raging, devastating, loud, and overtaken, all awaken in the flood.